I was injured in an accident. I was in a 3-car accident that I sustained back injuries, which is actually life-changing, because prior to that, I was pretty healthy, I would say, but it was pretty, it changed my life. It changed my life. On that day, I was actually on my way to lunch to meet with some friends, and I attempted to take a different route that day, and I was coming through the intersection at the light at a complete stop, just sitting there, and the next thing I know, I was rear-ended from the back, and it was actually a 3-car accident. So the one car hit me in the middle, that hit me pretty hard, and there was a car behind that one that rear-ended that car. I actually sustained lower back injury. I dealt with a lot of pain in my legs, my arm, my shoulder, mostly on my right side of my body, where I felt a lot of the pain once, a couple days after the accident, where it really kind of set in. It's very stressful. I've been dealing with, and I have dealt with, a lot of anxiety, especially once I started back driving. I mean, a lot of anxiety, because now, once I'm in traffic, I'm always, thinking, is that going to happen again? Is someone going to rear end me again? So it makes me nervous. The stress was really bad. I actually heard about Ligori Ligori from my friend, Crystal. She was actually a client, and that's the first thing she said: I'm going to give you Keith Ligori number, and I want you to call him on Monday. My overall experience with Keith Ligori was amazing. If I had to prefer anyone to an attorney, it would be Keith Ligori.